but it didn't really stick like he wanted it to. So he's a willing participant and wants the help for Sabbath.
Hello. Hi, why were you late for court?
I was actually downstairs.
This is the one that judge, you told him to just go
Ah.
downstairs.
Okay, that's true. So where are we?
So Judge, the hang up was actually a restitution issue. The
Mhm.
state needs to find that before they can finalize everything. They didn't want to do a restitution of any, they wanted to get, and I believe no one's gotten a hold of them
Well,
just yet.
okay,
Sorry.
if I could, the intake attorney made an offer that I was unaware of, okay? And so it includes resolution on cases that needs to be relayed to the complainant, and nobody has ever reached out to the complainant.
sorry.
So that's the issue that I've addressed with that attorney that needs to be addressed by them since they made the offer.
Yes.
And then they need to also inquire if there's any restitution owed.
And we're understanding of that, Judge, according to state, it's gonna take about 2 weeks. We're fine with a 2-week recall.
Yes,
2 weeks or 3 weeks?
3, please.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 3-week reset. 3-week reset. All right, so we'll be back on November 13th.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Maybe excuse?
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, who's next? Wilmer Ruiz Ortega. Yes. All right, state, were you able to tender an offer?
Judge, so no, and I will proffer to the court why, but regarding discovery, all discovery is complete in this case except for the firearms and GSR analysis. I did reach out to the lab yesterday and they confirmed with me that it's not yet been completed. And so we're waiting on that as far as discovery. Regarding the case, I have reviewed the evidence that we have and tendered to defense. However, I've been unable to make an offer on today because I've been unable to speak with the next of kin regarding the offer that I think is appropriate in this case. I do have a meeting scheduled with them. It was just a little hard to get a time in place because there's a next of kin because of the injuries in the case. And so I do have a meeting planned where I'm going to discuss that with them, and then I'll be prepared to tender an offer at the next setting.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a date at the beginning of December. Is that enough time?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so we'll be back on December 2nd and hopefully the GSR will be in.
Yes, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's next? Albert Gunther. Thank you. Court is calling 2023 CR 6544 State versus Albert Carl Gunther. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Caretaker for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Albert Carl Gunther?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Albert Carl Gunther who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 6544 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on October 13th, 2023 for a period of 2 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Number 2, Your Honor, on or about the 30th day of September 2025 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Albert Carl Gunther did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely methamphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We'll waive the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true grant the motion, find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. I believe we are in agreement to extend Mr. Gunther's probation for 18 months and amended conditions so he can go to SATIF, followed by aftercare and the job readiness program.
All right.
That is correct, Judge, and Mr. Gunther has noted number one, he is struggling with his drug addiction and he's willing to go to SATIF. He did complete outpatient intensive successfully, but it didn't really stick like he wanted it to. So he's a willing participant and wants the help for SATIF.
All right, so other than outpatient treatment, has he completed anything on probation?
He did the TAP evaluation.
Any objections to the court reviewing the court summary?
No, Your Honor.
May I approach you?
Yes, thank you.
Your Honor, this is his first MPR.
Okay. State, do you know what is his criminal history?
Give me 1 second, Your Honor. I will.
This is the only felony, Judge. You guys have a obstruction of the highway many years ago.
I'm sorry, and what would that be?
Obstruction of a highway rose out of a DWI.
Okay,
Yes, Your Honor. He's only got the obstruction and it looks like a UCW from April of 2023. And I'm trying to see what happened with that. Right.
Mike tells me it was along with this case here.
It was TIC'd, I believe, on this same day he was placed on probation for this case.
all right, Mr. Gunther, I'm going to give you a choice. These are your only choices. There are no other choices. 1, I can revoke you and I'll sentence you to 3 years in the prison. Or 2, you'll remain in custody. I will have a referral done for you for felony drug court. If felony drug court doesn't accept you, you're going to be going to SATIF. And you will be extended for 2 years. So which do you prefer?
Option 2.
All right, then the court will deny, alter and amend conditions to include a referral to felony drug court. If not accepted into felony drug court, then he'll be going to SATIF and extend for 2 years. Probation, is there anything else? And I'm so sorry, probation, there's going to be field visits upon release until further notice. Do you have any children?
No, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Good luck, okay?
Thank you.
Have a seat, sir.
Hi, counsel.
Good morning,
Good
Judge.
morning. So on this case, where are we on discovery?
I believe that the state's provided all the discovery in this case at this point. They
And-
haven't been able to locate their file this morning.
Okay,
We, however, conferred, I've offered mitigation on behalf of my client. The prosecutor is going to email me a proposed offer.
okay. All right, when would you like this recalled, counsel?
Judge, whatever is convenient to the court.
Oh, no, just let me know.
In a month.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I could have this recalled in 30 days for plea deadline date, please. All right, we'll be back on December 2nd. And counsel, there's a motion to suppress that you filed. At that time, if you'll let the court know whether or not it's dispositive.
Yes, sir.
All right, is there anything else?
That is all.
All right. And counsel, if you would speak. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good
Judge.
seeing you.
Good seeing you
Thank
too.
Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. All right, Steak, I'm sorry, Yaya, anybody else?
Went down, are we on to the recruit?
Arianta Dela Cruz.